Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150 guys. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find where the central locking fuse is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. Which 3 fuses you need to check, by the way. You may have up to 3 fuses. Where to buy cheap fuses from and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 guys where the central locking fuse is located. You have 2 different fuse boxes. One is under the hood, okay, right behind the car battery, and it looks like this one. Okay, let me go back for a second. And you have guys different kinds of fuses, relays that could be Ford specific, hard to find, expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. We need the fuse box that's located inside your truck in the cabin. On the passenger side in the foot well by that kick panel here, you remove that cover there and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. Now let's explain which fuse you need to check for the specifically guys, okay, for the central locking, which 3 fuses. But before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, 3 fuses will need to be checked for the central locking. I'm going to zoom in so you can clearly see. If we come from the very top in the left row, the first fuse that we'll need to check is fuse number 24, the one right here, the 20 amp fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 25 as well guys. We're talking about that fuse right here, that's 25, 24, 25, and you need to check fuse number 26. Okay, so this fuse, and the fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.